Daily Animated Text. Good morning to all those who love Jehovah God, to this spiritual breakfast. Topic for today is
the joy no one can take away from you.
And the daily text that we will analyze today is
Isaiah chapter 65, verse 14. My servants will shout joyfully. What does true happiness depend on? True happiness does not depend on our circumstances, but on our friendship with Jehovah. When we fill our hearts with His promises, we enjoy peace, love, and a sure hope. That is why those who are part of the spiritual paradise have every reason to keep serving Jehovah with joy every day. My servants will shout joyfully. Isaiah chapter 65, verse 14.
God's people can shout joyfully because their heart overflows with appreciation. The upbuilding truths and comforting promises in God's Word and our solid hope based on Christ's ransom sacrifice give us a good condition of the heart. Talking about these things with our spiritual brothers and sisters makes us truly happy. The love and the unity among Jehovah's people are two major characteristics of the spiritual paradise. This bond of union gives us an idea of what life will be like in the new world, where Jehovah's servants will enjoy even greater love and unity than they do today. Colossians 3:14. Anyone who wants to be truly happy and content needs to experience our spiritual paradise. No matter what this world thinks of Jehovah's servants, they have an honorable name or reputation with His universal family.
Welcome to Daily Text Lessons. Learn, reflect, and strengthen your faith.
Key points of today's daily text. Now let's review the main ideas from today's daily text with a few simple questions. 1. Why do Jehovah's servants shout for joy? Answer: because they know the truth, have a sure hope, and enjoy a close friendship with Jehovah. 2. What two qualities stand out in the spiritual paradise? Answer: unity and love among God's servants. 3. What does Christian love produce in the congregation? Answer: it keeps us united and allows us to enjoy a foretaste of the new world even now. 4. How does Jehovah view us even if the world criticizes us? Answer: as people with a good name and an honorable reputation before Him. Food for thought. Let us continue strengthening our friendship with Jehovah. Then, no matter what difficulties we face, we will always have reasons to shout for joy and confidently look forward to the wonderful blessings He has promised.
See you tomorrow.